What drop should I use for my glaucoma patients? What are the new glaucoma medications on the market? How well do they work? How do they work? What should I expect for my patients? iGlaucoma YouTube channel presents a fresh, upcoming educational video series called MIGS Meds University, where we talk about the new, the old, the generics, the brands, the current and up-and-coming pipeline medications that are used for treating glaucoma patients. As a spin-off of MIGS University, your host, Dr. Constance Okeke, will cover various glaucoma medical treatment strategies and answer questions like, where do the new drugs fit into my practice? What about the drops we've been using for decades? Is there really a difference between generics and brand names? Are preservative-free or BAK-free drops really that important for our glaucoma patients? And much, much more. In this series, you'll find practical pearls, great discussion, real-world cases, and action steps for immediate implementation. If you're excited about learning more on how to sift through the many medication options for glaucoma management, then let us know in the comments what you hope to see. Until then, stay tuned. Before you go, we want to give you something else as a gift, a free glaucoma medication guide with all the most commonly used glaucoma drops right at your fingertips. Download it now in the description box below.